The world's waters are wonderfully diverse. Think of the flowing rivers and the still deep lakes. Imagine the murky swamps full of hidden life. These are the places where fish and crocodiles make their homes. They are truly fascinating creatures of the aquatic realm. Many different kinds of fish exist, and many types of crocodiles too. They share these vital places, which offer them food and shelter. These watery habitats are crucial for their survival. Life here is always moving, always changing, always remarkable. Fish live in almost every kind of water you can imagine. Some tiny fish thrive in cold, clear mountain streams. Other larger fish prefer the warm, slow waters of tropical rivers. Vast lakes are home to countless fish swimming in their depths. They find shelter among waving underwater plants and ancient rocks. These places provide safety from creatures that might hunt them. Here they also find the small plants and animals they need for food. Different species of fish are suited to very different water conditions. It is a testament to their incredible adaptability over millions of years. Crocodiles, on the other hand, generally prefer warmer climates. They are often found in the tropical rivers and lakes of Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Swamps and estuaries are also favorite haunts for these reptiles. Estuaries are special places where fresh river water meets salty seawater. Crocodiles need the water to help keep their large bodies cool under the hot sun. The water is also their primary hunting ground, where they find their prey. They often rest patiently on the muddy banks, basking in the sun's warmth. This helps them to conserve energy for their powerful bursts of activity. Sometimes fish and crocodiles live very close to one another. They often share the exact same stretches of rivers or the same lakes. This means that their paths cross frequently in their daily lives. They are both important members of the same complex water world. Their lives are interconnected in a multitude of fascinating ways. This connection is a fundamental part of how nature works. It creates a balance within these precious aquatic environments. That we will explore this intricate relationship in more detail. It is a story of predator and prey, of survival and coexistence. If we look closely, fish and crocodiles appear very different indeed. Their bodies have been shaped by millions of years of evolution. Each is perfectly designed for its own way of life in the water. One, the fish, often glides with grace and speed through the currents. The other, the crocodile, is a master of stealth and powerful ambush. These physical differences are key to how they survive and thrive. Let us examine their bodies more carefully. They tell a compelling story of adaptation to their watery world. Each feature serves a purpose, honed by the demands of nature. Most fish have bodies that are wonderfully streamlined for swimming. Their skin is typically covered in a layer of protective scales. These scales are often smooth and sometimes surprisingly shiny or colorful. They help the fish to glide through the water with minimal effort. Fish possess fins, which they use to steer their bodies accurately. Fins also provide the power to propel them forward, sometimes very quickly. Critically, fish breathe using gills, located on the sides of their heads. Gills extract precious oxygen directly from the water passing over them. This amazing adaptation allows them to live their entire lives submerged. Crocodiles, in contrast, possess enormously strong and robust bodies. Their skin is not made of delicate scales, but of tough, bony plates. This forms a kind of natural armor, offering excellent protection. They have long, immensely powerful tails, flattened from side to side. This tail acts like a mighty oar, helping them to swim with surprising speed. Crocodiles have 4 short but very strong legs with webbed feet. Their long snouts are filled with rows of incredibly sharp teeth. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned conveniently on the very top of their heads. This allows them to see and breathe while mostly hidden underwater. So there are clear and important distinctions between these two groups. Fish use their gills to breathe underwater, never needing to surface for air. Crocodiles, however, have lungs much like our own and must breathe air. Fish primarily use their fins for swimming with agility. Crocodiles rely on their powerful tails and webbed feet for propulsion. Fish are often relatively small, quick, and sometimes brightly colored. Crocodiles are typically large, incredibly strong, and masters of camouflage. These fundamental differences dictate how they hunt, hide, and live. Each design is a masterpiece of natural engineering for its purpose. Every animal, no matter how large or small, has a job in nature. This special job is often called its ecological role or niche. Both fish and crocodiles play very important roles in their ecosystems. They help to keep their watery homes healthy and in balance. They are integral parts of a large and complex food web. In this web, many different plants and animals depend upon one another. Let us look more closely at what these creatures do. Their actions ripple through the entire aquatic community. Understanding these roles helps us appreciate their true value. Fish fulfill a great many roles within their aquatic environments. Many smaller fish species feed on tiny aquatic plants and microscopic animals. Slightly larger fish, in turn, often prey upon these smaller fish. This transfer of energy is a fundamental part of the food chain. Fish themselves are also a vital source of food for many other animals. Water birds, otters, snakes, and indeed crocodiles all consume fish. Some fish also help to keep the water clean by eating decaying matter. They are a cornerstone of healthy aquatic systems around the globe. Without fish, many water worlds would be vastly different and poorer. Crocodiles are typically apex predators in their habitats. This means they are usually at the very top of the food chain. They hunt a wide variety of different animals for their sustenance. Their diet can include fish, birds, turtles, and mammals. Mammals that come too close to the water's edge are particularly vulnerable. By hunting these animals, crocodiles help to control their populations. This prevents any single species from becoming too numerous. This regulation helps to keep the entire ecosystem in a healthy balance. They also act as scavengers, eating dead animals and thus cleaning the environment. The interactions between fish and crocodiles are ancient and ongoing. They have shared the same waters for many millions of years. For crocodiles, especially younger ones, fish are a very important food source. Young, small crocodiles may eat many small fish, insects, and amphibians. Even very large adult crocodiles will readily consume bigger fish when they can. So in this relationship, the fish often serves as prey for the crocodile. This is a natural and essential predator-prey dynamic. It has shaped the behaviors and adaptations of both groups. It is a drama that unfolds daily in rivers and lakes worldwide. Both fish and crocodiles possess a remarkable array of special tricks. These unique behaviors and adaptations help them to survive and flourish. They have, over vast stretches of time, learned to master their watery world. Some of their survival strategies are incredibly clever and surprising. These adaptations are what make them such successful and enduring creatures. Let us explore some of these fascinating aspects of their lives. Nature is constantly inventing ingenious solutions to the challenges of life. The study of these animals reveals endless wonders of the natural world. Each behavior is a testament to the power of evolution. Fish exhibit many interesting behaviors to aid their survival. Some species of fish can dramatically change their color. This can help them to blend in with their surroundings, hiding from danger. Alternatively, bright colors might be used to attract a mate during breeding. Certain fish undertake incredible long-distance journeys to lay their eggs. This epic migration, as seen in salmon, is a marvel of endurance. There are even flying fish, which can launch themselves from the water. They glide for considerable distances above the surface and often to escape predators. Many fish also swim in large, coordinated groups called schools for safety in numbers. Crocodiles, too, are known for their very clever behaviors. They are extraordinarily patient hunters, a hallmark of their success. A crocodile can wait for many hours, almost completely motionless. It might lie submerged in the water, perfectly still and silent. Often only its keen eyes and discreet nostrils break the surface. Then, with a sudden, explosive burst of speed, it attacks its prey. Mother crocodiles also display surprisingly gentle parental care. They guard their nests fiercely and protect their newly hatched babies. They have even been observed carrying their tiny young gently in their powerful mouths. So, we see that fish and crocodiles share the world's waters. They are very different creatures, yet both are vitally important. Crocodiles do hunt fish, but this is simply nature's way of operating. This interaction helps to maintain the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Both groups of animals show us amazing and diverse ways to live. They serve as a constant reminder of how wonderful and varied nature can be. Protecting their freshwater and estuarine homes is crucial. This protection helps not only them but all life that depends on these waters. In their own distinct ways, they are both true rulers of their watery realms.